everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about UTHANDO NESTHEMBU season 6 episode 4. Guys, I'm not sure what it means but in this season Macele ushintshile. She's acting like Musa Mseleku's mother or mother-in-law kulawa amanye amakhosikazi. She's so supportive to her husband, and the guys akafuni futhi nala amanye amakhosikazi omayeni nomangwabo ukuthi bahambe ngenxa ukuthi uMusa ufuna number 5. The reason being uthi ubone ngazi ukuthi uMusa mayilahlwa uye akanamuntu azokhalela kuye. Kule episode guys, uMusa visited umamkhulu to tell her about the meeting and to ask umamkhulu to stand with him kukhona konke azobe kwenzeka lapha yana noma azobe ekusho uMusa Mseleku kulawa amanye amakhosikazi. It's so difficult guys for Musa to accept ukuthi umayeni noma ngwabe abamfuni number 5 banqamela ukuthi bahambe bona if number 5 uyeza. So in this episode guys, uMusa Mseleku find himself crying mangabe bheka uMacele uthi he feels like udayise ngomamkhulu uMacele noma umenza islima if la amanye amakhosikazi engafuni ukuthi yena ganwe, kodwa uMacele abavumela bona ukuthi bazogana uMusa Mseleku. Uthi ke now it's not about ingane kodwa uqhubeka ngoba akafuni ube ngazi uthi yena uhlulwa abafazi. His pride guys doesn't allow him to let this go. It was so painful to see mamkhulu crying like that guys, but again she promised to support her husband kuleya meeting. So guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion about this number 5 issue. Bye.